Well, dearly beloved, in the rain, we welcome you with great love and appreciation for you being here. And Reese and Maris are really grateful for you right now to being here with them.
There were sparks, burning new colors I can see.
Reese, these vows were difficult to write solely due to the fact that no words feel grand enough to express what I want to say. Over the past 6 years, we've had some of the most unbelievable, hilarious, peaceful, and proud moments. To know I have you when life brings challenges overwhelms me.
Feel like love not over yet. There were sparks, telling me the truth I can't forget. I thought I lost all the magic. It was gone.
They want to express their love and appreciation to you, and especially express their love for those who were unable to be here. Maris wants me to tell you that she expresses her desire. She wishes her dad could be here, and he's here. I think he showed up. Yes. Thank you, Barley.
There will be sparks.
And now, as you and Reese come together in this matrimony experience, you're going to take all this wisdom with you and this great memory, this unbelievable memory, this fantastic memory with you throughout your life.
I thought I lost all the magic. It was gone, but now I have it.
I love you. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful.
We're at a party. Maris wanted to, make the move to Reese, but she didn't know how to. So I told her how to. She had some lip plumping lip gloss in her purse. She put it on, and I told Reese, "Hey, do you want your lips plumped? Go kiss that girl over there." And he did, and the rest is history.
I'm catching fire, and I'm not coming
Maris, I promise to always do the following. Prioritize the things in our life that matter most to us. Cherish the good times, make the best of the bad times. And most of all, I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you.
sparks.
Your friends, family, and all of us here, we rejoice in your happiness. And we pray that this day marks only one of many more blessings you will share in the days and years ahead. We now, by the power of your love and the commitment that you have made, declare you husband and wife. Reese, you may kiss your bride.
I first want to just say congratulations to the new Mr. and Mrs. Maris and Reese Chestnut. And what happened today blows me away, because your dad showed up at this wedding. Perfect timing, right? He said, "Shane, Don't tell Maris unless his day comes. I sure hope it's Reese. He gave you his blessing.
Time is now. You won't know what's out there if you don't find out. Good day start right now. 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 Go where you wanna go, see what you wanna see.
My sister by heart and by marriage, I could not be more happy or proud to be with you here today, celebrating the beautiful love that you two share. Reese, I really want to thank you for loving her the way she deserves. The love you two share is so special, and I feel so blessed to be a part of y'all's journey and to have you both as my close friends.